Okay, I'm going to take you into AI Tutor so you can see how I make my chatbots. This is AI Tutor. It is a awesome platform for making chatbots, using all different types of LLMs to create the chatbots. If you look here, it's got so many things within it. I've learned how to prompt in here. The prompt guides are awesome. Their landing pages that they make are great. Pixio is awesome. They also have another platform just solely for Pixio, for image generations. They include tons of different models within there. The price is phenomenal for it. I can't recommend Pixio. I can't recommend anything else but Pixio, shall I say. So there's just some really, really great things within AI Tutor, though. So I'm going to bring you in there right now and show you how I make my chatbots. Okay, so this here is AI Tutor. I go to Botcraft Pro. You would normally log in right there. These are a bunch of my bots that I've made. You can see them on my website. There's a couple of them on my website at Morgan, MORGENV.com. I've got the urban slang source in there, Save Your Sons, which represents somebody on Twitter X. The urban slang source is like the Urban Dictionary. I wanted to try and press the limits and see if I could get OpenAI to curse, and I did. So you could treat that like the Urban Dictionary. And then I also have a bot on my website that is for content generation, social media content generation. But I wanted to show you how to load up your bot with PDFs and to get it to read your PDFs and understand your PDFs. So we're going to act like we're creating a new bot. Create new bot. And you're going to go to File. If you look down right here, you'll be able to see all the different models that you could choose from. They got everything in here. The Gemini Pro, Capybara, Google Chat Bison, ChatGPT 3.5, Turbo, 4 Turbo, Llamas, Mistrals, Mixtrals, Quens, Yees, Zephyr. I do not know all the difference between all of them yet. I'm trying to learn that now. But I normally stick with GPT 3.5 or 4 Turbo. But yeah, so you would choose one of these. I don't really know about the embedding model yet. I'm still learning about that as well too, but I'll just pull up the options anyway, just so you can see what they are. Maybe you guys know about it more than I do. I'm still really new to this stuff, so I'm definitely trying to learn it. So we'll take the file, and that's where you add your PDF. And you just do it just like that. It doesn't take long to do this at all, and that's done. So this is the playground area. So this is where you can test out your chatbot right here and ask it questions, play around with it. Going over to the left over here, here's the data sources. So this shows you that the PDF is in there, it's finished. And you can add a new source this way. You could add a web page. You could have the crawler crawl web pages and do tons and tons of website pages. The REST API, sitemap, GitHub, text, file, and YouTube. So sometimes, like other people have said, that I have had minor issues with PDFs. So sometimes what I do is I'll take the PDF and I'll turn it into a Word document instead of the PDF. So I'll go to Google and I'll Google a free PDF to Word doc, and then I'll just copy that whole Word doc and I'll throw it in a text here. And I'll just paste it right in there. but the PDFs really haven't been giving me any trouble. So, yeah, but that's what it'll look like. And you'll just, whatever stuff that you want to pack your bot with, they'll all show up here. This right here is your integrations. You can put your chatbot on Telegram, you can put it on Discord, WhatsApp, you could use the API, and you can do the HTML embed. So this will give you the public URL. So if you want somebody to try out your bot, we would copy that. And that's what it looks like right there. So, but like I said, like I said before in the text on Reddit, if you want to give this link out to somebody for free, they don't have to pay for it like they do have to pay OpenAI just to try your GPTs out, which is awesome. But if you do want to set up a website where you put your bot on it and you can take in payments, you could charge people to use your bots. But the cool thing, like I said, is just that you'll be able to give this link out to anybody, and they don't have to have a subscription to AI Tutor in order to try it out. But people who are creating bots, you definitely want to get AI Tutor and use AI Tutor and pay the subscription. It's so worth it. It's so worth it. I use AI Tutor more than I use ChatGPT all the time. So, all right, let's go back. Where was I? Oh, here we go. Okay, so if you want to put it on your website, it's over there. But, okay. I don't know why. All right, so that was our integrations. These are the conversations that other people will have. So when you give out that link or you embed that link on your website and people start talking to your bot, their conversations will show up here. So whether it's from the website, Telegram, or Discord. So you'll be able to see what people are saying to your bot and what they're asking them. Hopefully they are proposing, problems in there that you'll be able to figure out and fix for them. So this is the appearance. You can change the name here. You can change your greeting message. You can change the colors. Whatever you want to do. And then you save the changes. Okay, and this is the important part. This is also where you're going to put in the demo bot. The model streaming. I keep the site sources in the chat off so that when a user is using your bot, that they're not seeing where the context is being pulled from. The embedding method again. The temperature. How forceful do you want the temperature of your prompts to be? So I'm going to take you real quick over to the original one that I had made for you guys to show as an example, which is here. Sorry, I've got on the night and day, I guess. So, but this is what, here, I'm going to keep that off because I like it off. Same thing, it's the anyway, so this is where I prompted my chatbot to pay attention to that PDF file that we fed it. So it says, you've been given a PDF doc. When asked about Ali, the PDF that I picked is it's a Web3 crypto and NFT PDF that I just found that was free on Gumroad, written by somebody named Ali Miller. So thank you, Ali. I'm using your PDF as an example today. But yeah, so So I wrote, when asked about Allie, give info from Doc. You can find Allie Miller's Gumroad link, and there's her link right there. If asked about Gumroad, reply with link. The reason why I have that there is because before when I did, right after I put in the PDF, I asked it if it knew the Gumroad link to Allie's Gumroad link for the PDF, and it didn't, even though it was there. So like I said, there can be some complications sometimes, but yeah, so I just made that a specific thing within the prompt so that my bot knows to reply with the Gumroad link when somebody asks for it. So I have that there. And then it says, any user that asks a question, you will provide an answer only from the information that you have been given. Do not answer out of context from those uploaded files. Do not try to make up an answer. If the question is not related to the context, politely respond that you were tuned to only answer questions that are related to the context. And context, question, helpful answer, and markdown. So that's our prompt for that. I'll show you a couple of my other prompts for my other bots, but and then this is the question generator prompt. So given the following conversation and follow-up question, rephrase the follow-up question to be a standalone question. Chat history, follow-up input question, standalone question. This was like this when you open up the bot, you'll see like how I showed you before. I forget where it was already. Oh, well, that was there when you come into the creation of the bot. So, and then there's the hybrid search retrieval, which I never have on, and the public bot protection that that people will not be able to use it when you turn that on. It's protected. So, and down here you can delete your bot if you want. But what I do for the API key is I go to OpenAI and I grab a key. I think I paid $10. I've probably used about 15, 16 keys already. So I just copy a key from OpenAI and I come over here and I put it in there and then I save it. So, show you. There should be some conversations over here. Sorry, my computer is being a little slow today. Okay, see. So, this one said I was, it wouldn't give me. Oh, there you go. What is Allie's Gumroad link? And it gives me there. According to the document, these are just conversations that I had with the bot to try and pull the information out. But yeah, this was putting in the PDF and talking to the bot and getting information off of it. So there's something else cool that AI Tutor used to do that they don't have it right this second, but they will be putting it back in very soon. And it supposedly, from what I was told, that it's going to be even better than what they had. Let me just find that really quick. Just the instructions. It was for. Okay, well, I was going to show you, they did have a specific section in here that you could feed AI Tutor, and I believe it's in the plus section. I think it was one of the okay. Oh, there we go. I think it was one of these that had a PDF reader, and it didn't just skim it; it read it very, very well. So I know I talked to one of the developers, and he said that they were bringing that back. So that'll be a plus as well too. Just to show you really quick about AI Tutor and their plus area. These models are awesome. I love using the persona creator. I go to text and I tell it who I want it to be. Oops. And it'll literally create you a more in-depth persona, and then you can copy that persona and bring it over to one of your bots. You can use that for a content a generator. You can use it for whatever, medical, teachers, any type of bot that you want to make. You can grab the persona from here, and it really, really, really goes into great detail. And it's a better prompt than what I would have come up with. So I just fed it your Mr. T from the A-Team, you pity the fool, blah, blah, blah. But, and it goes more into depth here of who Mr. T is. So, it's pretty cool. And it describes him perfectly. So, like even if I wanted to do, you are a social media marketing. Marketing. Oh my God. Guru. You went to college for market advertising and marketing. You have 15 years experience. So, if you wanted to make a content generation bot or a social media marketing bot, and it'll give you a better persona that you can bring over to your chatbot in that Botcraft Pro that I just showed you, like where we put it in that PDF. So, yeah. And it explains here more a better prompt than what I wrote up there of you're a guru and you went to college for it, So it's great to copy these. Sometimes the copy up there works, sometimes it doesn't. Copy it, and then you just bring it back into your Botcraft Pro over here and put it into your questioning answering prompt. I go into a lot more detail when I do, so like this one. This was a Twitter mini course that I made. So these are the instructions for my bot. You're a digital marketing maven who specializes in Twitter X, boasting a deep understanding of the platform's dynamics and the intricacies of creating viral content. And it just goes on, and I just direct it. I tell it what I want it to do, who I want it to be, what I want it to give, the rules. You will never say you're an AI agent. You're a content creator and marketing maven. So, that's just another way that I use AI Tutor. But these things are these little personas and just different. I mean, there's there's OpenAI GPT-4. Excuse me. So you can use any of these if you pay for the plus. I highly, highly, highly recommend the premium. The starter is basically OpenAI. They the guys that over at AI Tutor and Pixio, they have a partnership with OpenAI. So that's how they're able to use all their models. I don't know why it keeps doing that, but yeah. So highly, highly, highly recommend AI Tutor. The pricing for it is amazing. It's very reasonably priced. So I just and I have a coupon code for you as well too, so that you guys can get 20% off. So if this is something that you want to use, you want to build, I can even hook you up with a developer. They are such great people. They are amazing guys, and they will let you try it out. So if you guys are interested in any of this, please let me know. I'll set you up with a developer. That's the best part about this is that there's three of them. They're there for you. So if something goes wrong, if you don't understand something, they onboard you. When you purchase this, you will you'll get an onboarding call, and they will teach you everything within their platform. They'll show you everything. I mean, it's truly phenomenal. And just knowing that you have them there by your side, like I can't call Sam Altman when something goes wrong. So, but I can call the guys over at AI Tutor, and they're awesome. So I am trying to just show you really quick. It's myapps.ai. But just so you can see their pricing. So I get the premium, and I have a 20% off code. So I will gladly give that to you if you guys are interested. And like I said, you can reach out to them. I'll hook you up with them, and they'll let you try it out before you buy. So, and they also do demos every Saturday on Twitter Spaces, and in a space called ITT, the Innovators Think Tank. So if anybody wants to try this out, let me know. I will gladly hook you up with those guys. Hope this helps.